Hi everyone, welcome to today's video talking about algebraic techniques. So for lesson 1, we're evaluating algebraic expressions, and we want you to correctly substitute values into algebraic expressions. Find the value of the hypotenuse below using Pythagoras' theorem, which is this one. And we have x, 3 and 4. So we're saying this is A over here. This is B. This is C. So A equals 3, B equals 4, and C equals x. So this side, the longer side in the triangle, the one opposite the right angle, is called the hypotenuse. So hopefully you remember that from last year in Pythagoras' theorem. So this is the rule. And then we substitute the values into the expression. So instead of C, we have x. Instead of A, we have 3, because A equals 3. Instead of B, we have 4. And then we solve the equation. So x squared equals 9 plus 81. 9 plus 81 is 100. And we've got x squared equals 100, so what number times itself equals 100? Or we can use the square root function. So x equals 10 units. So this is the important step here, x squared to x. X squared equals 100, x equals square root of 100. Next example, question. Again, Pythagoras' theorem, and we get told that we're looking for A, B is 9, C is 12. So first of all, make sure you understand this information. This is the rule, so we change the values. C is 12, so we substitute C equals 12 in. A we're looking for, so it doesn't change, but B gets substituted for 9. Then we solve the equation, take away 9 squared from both sides, and we get A squared equals 12 squared minus 9 squared. You might have used this rule before as well. 12 squared is 144, 9 squared is 81. So A, that should be, equals the square root of 63. 144 take away 81 is 63, and we go from A squared to square root. So A equals 7.9 units. Examples, this can go in your notes. So A minus B, if A equals 4, B equals 2, and C equals minus 7, evaluate, so find the value of A minus B. So A equals 4, B equals 2, so we get 4 take away 2, which is 2. That's for part A. For part B, we've got A cubed plus 9B minus C. So A cubed, we get 4 cubed, 9 times B, so 9 times 2, and we subtract minus 7. 4 cubed is 64, 9 twos are 18, and minus 7 is plus 7, so we get 89. Worked example 2, C equals the square root of A squared plus B squared, so this is Pythagoras' theorem, and we're told that A equals 12, B equals minus 5, So A is 12, so 12 squared is 144. B gets subbed in for minus 5 squared. Remember, when we square a negative, it becomes positive. So I recommend that you do actually put the brackets in when you do these calculations, just like we did up here. Check with your teacher if you're not sure about that point. So we get square root of 144 plus 25, which is the square root of 169, which is 13. These are the questions that we'd like you to do. And you can check your answers with your learning buddies. A plus B, so we'd have 2 plus 3 is 5. C minus B, 5 minus 3 is 2.